Alright, back to the S63. Finally today I received the cylinder heads. Finally. Now, what do we see? Exactly what I want to see. I was it actually, obviously, when I received it. I sent the cylinder head for resurfacing on the minimum amount of to remove material, don't remove so much material, a little bit. You can measure also the stumps. I have the numbers on the book, okay? And we see that it didn't destroy any corner, okay? To be honest, it happened that once before, not on the cylinder head, on the block, and I came angry in 2 blocks. I don't see any problem with the corner. The cylinder head beautiful. It's been already lapped the valves from before, because I lapped the valves, then I sent it for resurfacing. One light pass to be perfect. I'm gonna measure it just to have a peace of mind. Let me turn it. You can see from here up. You see that there is no problem on the surface. You can see that again when I'm gonna install the cylinder heads. For now, I'm happy that I have the cylinder heads. Why? Because we're back in business. We have here the driver's side intake exhaust valves, beautiful, and then we have the passenger side. How lovely. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna prepare the cylinder heads, and I'm waiting for the crankshaft. They sent me the crankshaft for the E63 that I sent it recently, and they didn't send me the crankshaft for the S63 that I sent it, I don't know, 2 weeks ago. Anyhow, since it's beautiful, nice, for this one, if you pay attention to that, I don't care, honestly. This one. This is not affecting anything. This is beautiful, there is no problem at all. It's far away, it's not gonna bother anybody. Don't worry. Actually, this will gonna be visible from down, but you don't care. Alright? Because this side, it's outside of the deck. We are looking good. Moving on, small update. You're gonna see that again, the cylinder heads, because what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna prepare them. I need the valve springs, I need the valve seals. I'm gonna prepare the cylinder heads, I'm gonna wrap them, both of them, until it comes the time for the installation. To be nice and safe and good. Beautiful, small update, at least to see the customer that we have some progress. We resurface the 2 cylinder heads only. Yay! How lovely. If we continue like that, we're gonna finish the engine in 2025. That's it. Thank you.